Hi, this is Dr. Vivek. High levels of blood sugar or frequent hype in insulin in your body can cause many of the health issues. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the signs and symptoms, what happens on our skin, how our body tells us that we have high levels of blood sugar or insulin level in our body, or if a person is diabetic, then these signs and symptoms show that his or her diabetes is not in control. So it's an important video. I'll be telling whole of the signs. You will be amazed to know that these all signs can be because of high levels of insulin or blood sugar in your body. And this, the first one is skin tags. Yes, skin tags, about which we do lots of home remedies. These things can grow in our body because our insulin is high, or the sugar or the blood sugar level is high in our body. So just don't focus on treating these skin tags by home remedies. You have to work inside your body and you have to correct your diet, your lifestyle. Only then you are going to have results. Otherwise you will be doing home remedies for one stuff, or you'll be removing them dermatologically or by laser from one part, and then they'll grow in other parts and they will grow again and again. Solution is to balance your diet and to go for the reason why they are growing, and one of the reason can be high levels of insulin or blood sugar or uncontrolled diabetes. Second symptom is acanthosis nigricans. That means blackness on your neck. Armpits are getting more darker in color, or the groin region is getting more darker in color. This can be because of high levels of fat or high levels of insulin or blood sugar. Third symptoms are brown spots in your shin bone. Shin bone is in the leg, and if you see dark spots or like aging signs or liver spots, they are said, these are not aging spots or liver spots. It can be because of uncontrolled diabetes or high level of blood sugar, or if a person is insulin resistant. And why these happens? Because the high level of insulin is going to damage the capillaries of this area, and when the capillaries will be damaged, that area is going to turn brown, and this will be seen as brown patches. So take care of this and have a look on your whole health. Fourth symptom is if you are having constant nail infection, nail fungus, or you are having infections in your eye or on the eyelid, especially on the hair, the follicles of the hair, they are getting inflamed, getting infected, your eye is getting infected, conjunctivitis you are having, then these can be the markers that your immunity is low. And why your immunity is low? It is because of uncontrolled sugar in your body. Fifth symptom is xanthelasma. It's a medical term for high levels of cholesterol that are shown in your skin. Above eyes or lower to the eyes, you will have a mark, a brownish or whitish mark. These are also known as cholesterol marks, and high cholesterol and high blood sugar go hand in hand. So if these are the markers on your skin, start taking them seriously and work on whole of the body rather than just working on your skin. Sixth symptom is vitiligo. Yes, vitiligo can happen because of high levels of blood sugar level. So just don't work on your skin, you should work on your diet and see how you're eating and balance all, and these things will give you help with vitiligo also. Seventh symptom is candida. If you are having candida, then this means there is some underlying cause that is lowering your immunity, and this can be high blood sugar level. Eighth symptoms are skin bumps. This can be on hand, this can be on arm, this can be on feet, this can be on buttocks, and youngsters are more prone to have this. This is also known as eruptive xanthomatosis. Next symptom is small red dots on your skin. These dots slowly they grow in size and they can turn yellowish in color also. Skin becomes thin and it breaks, making it painful and itchy. 10th symptom is diabetic blisters. These blisters are white in color, they don't turn red in color, they disappear after 3 to 4 weeks. They can be in your hands, they can be in your arm. These are like the balloons on your skin. 11th symptom is granuloma annulare. This is like an eczema of the skin, you can say. If you will treat it just by thinking that it's eczema by applying cream and topical creams and lotions, it's not going to help. Reason, you know, it can be because of uncontrolled diabetes or because you are pre-diabetic and things are not going good with your diet. The next one is interesting one. It's known as digital sclerosis. Means your hands become like this, like a person is typing, and this happens because of the hardening of the skin. Your skin becomes so hard that the movement of the joint is hindered and a person is not able to move the joint. Now the last symptom is about the skin ulcers or the cuts on the skin, especially in the feet. This is known as diabetic foot ulcers. What happens is, because of diabetes or uncontrolled sugar or insulin, the nerves are damaged of our body, and that's why diabetic patients do not feel a lot in their feet, and if there is an ulcer or a cut, they don't feel any of the pain. If the ulcer is not treated, it grows with the time. If there is a cut in a person who is not having diabetes, what will happen? It heals by itself, and it heals fast. But this doesn't happen with people who are suffering from diabetes. Their skin doesn't heal fast and ulcers grow, and this can cause infections also. This is diabetic foot. I have seen this a lot in my practice, but if you will take right treatment, if you will correct your diet, then it will be easy for you. I have told you the symptoms. Now what are the treatment for this? You have to eat lots of vegetables, you have to eat lots of greens, exercises. This is important, and you will see magics happening in your body. Herbs that can help. The first one is insulin. Yes, the plant name is insulin, and the results are awesome. It balances the insulin in your body and should be consumed only if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, then only to consume. Another herb that can be consumed is Madhu Nashini. See, all these herbs that I am naming, these are not tasty, these are bad in taste. Yes, they are not chocolate, they are not candies, but they are effective. I have a whole video where I have talked about the best 3 herbs for diabetes. I'll try to put the link down below, you can have a look. But considering insulin and Madhu Nashini are a good option, try them. Maybe they will be helpful for you only if you are eating right, only if you are doing exercises. Link of the herb which I use in my practice, I will also put in the description box. But understand, herbs are only going to help you if you are eating right, you are doing exercises. If you are not doing exercises, you are not eating right on time. This is very important, that you should have your especially dinner up to 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. and then in the morning eat your breakfast at about 9 or 10, something like this. Only then you will have effects. In between this, you should not drink tea or coffee, only water is allowed. Do this, eat right, things are going to change for better. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.